Okay, welcome to problem number 2. Problem number 2 is very similar to problem number 1. You do have the mathematics reference materials located right here. There's your link. You also have your Prism Interactive, which is your link is right here. Excuse me. You need to identify the shape, so you need to add a text box. That's something that you need to start doing. I like to do maybe 12. So we look at our bases. That's going to give us the name of our shape because the base is a triangle, so it's a triangular prism. That's the name of this shape right here, or this net. So you're going to put that in there. Lateral surface area, I need to find the area of all of the faces, and I need to go ahead and put in my text box here. And to find the area of all the 3 rectangles that are right here, I need to find the formula on my star chart of the area of a rectangle, which is base times height. So I need to do my base times height. What characteristics do we know about, or attributes do we know about a rectangle? That the parallel sides are congruent. They're exactly the same. So this 16 is the same as this line. This line is also 16, and this one. So my base times height, my height here is 10. I'm going to go ahead and put a text box in here and do 16 times 10 equals, anytime we're multiplying a number by 10, I just tack on a 0 at the end. I'm going to go ahead and put this in red so you can see it and bold it. That's my first number. Now, what I did for you was I color-coded everything. This rectangle is the same size as the one above. So all I have to do is copy and paste it in there. So I have that plus, again, that again. Now I have this rectangle in the middle. I just do base times height. Here is 16. Again, this line is also 16. If we look over here, then my height is 6. So 16 times 6 equals, I don't know that off the top of my head. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3, 9, so 96. See, you can go ahead and just do that. And then I'm going to add that right here. So, let's see, plus 96. And then I'm going to get my total there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on my calculator. 160 plus 160 plus 96 equals 416. That's going to be this answer here. Oops. Let me go to the back, 416. And I'm going to go ahead and bold it and make it red so you can see that. Now, that is all of my faces right here. I need to, in order to do my total surface area, I need to find, okay, so in order to find the bases, I need to go back and find the area of a triangle, which is area equals base times height divided by 2, or 1/2 base times height. They both say the same thing. So my base is 6, and my height is 9.5. So you're going to, and I'm going to put this off to the side because that triangle's kind of tiny. So it would be 6 times 9.5. I'm going to find that answer here. We can zoom in a little bit. Let's do that and make it a little bit bigger. So 6 times 9.5 equals, and we're just going to use a calculator because right now I can't think of what it is. I have some distractions going on. 6 times 9.5 equals 57. We have to divide by 2 because it's a triangle. So 28.5. So I am actually just going to write this on here. 28.5. And kind of see if I can fit it right in there a little bit, right there. Okay, and I'm going to change it blue so that way you guys can actually see that it is my other one. So hopefully you can kind of see that. Okay, so I'm going to zoom back out so you can see. When it says fit, that means it'll fit the window. Okay, so now I have my 2 bases. So what I do is I go ahead and make another text box down here because we're really good at making text boxes. I take this 416. Oh, I didn't label it. Uh-oh. Shame on me, CM, and we need to go up here to format text, superscript, because it's squared. Then I come back down here, so 416, make sure you guys label, plus 28.5 plus 28.5 equals, and I need to go ahead and do that math. So I have 416 plus 28.5 plus 28.5 equals 473. So 473 centimeters, and then go up to format text, superscript, and square it. And I'm going to go ahead and bold this and change it to blue since it's my total surface area. So again, I am going to do an arrow so you can see this 416 came from there and I brought it down here. So that way that's where I've got this number. And then I added my two bases and that gives me my total surface area. So lateral surface area is all the shapes without the bases. And my total surface area, I take my lateral surface area and I add my bases to get my total surface area.